Hey, today we're going to be showing you how to make feather sticks and how to start them on fire with a ferro rod in wet weather conditions. So, let's get started.
The reason we picked this tree for making a feather stick is it's standing straight up and down. That helps keep the rain off of it, and the bark will help keep the inside of the wood dry. So let's turn this into a feather stick.
So we're using this nice straight piece of wood, making sure to slice and not to push, working the angles, practicing knife safety. The reason we're making a feather stick is so we can get to the inner dry wood, so we can start the fire in this wet weather. You want to make sure your knife is sharp. It is a world easier when your knife is sharp. Towards the end here, we're gonna want to make small, tiny curls that are super thin, so they'll catch the spark and ignite.
We're going to be using the Uberlen ferro rod to start this on fire. You're going to want to stick the ferro rod into the tinder bundle. In this case, it's feather stick. We're going to want to scrape off a couple shavings to it. And now we have a fire going with our feather sticks. So now you can enjoy the heat and the warmth to dry yourself
Put it down.